Came to the beach real quick, about to knock out some cardio, walk around, do about 30 minutes non-stop, something light. I don't need to overdo it. Damn, these birds going crazy, about to attack me. What's the name of that movie? These crows are going crazy. They following me too. They going crazy. This is crazy. Are they following me? I'm about to get attacked. Hey, these birds are following me, Jack. These birds are following me. I have been walking. They're like walking with me. I have no idea what they want from me.
Hello, Birdie. Polly want a cracker?
Polly wants your mama's sweet ass.
What did Polly say to me?
Why do you keep getting in front of me? Look at this. I'm moving. I'm going this way, and they're following me. Oh my God, I'm getting followed by some birds. I'm about to be first person to get pecked to death by some birds. I don't even know if you can call that mauled. I get mauled by some birds. I'm gonna fight them birds off. Bird ain't gonna get me. They were like a gang, like patrolling the sky. Like, what is going on? I've never seen no shit like that before.